Mini Cooper, powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 30 miles per gallon. This Mini features dual front airbags, power windows, and air conditioning. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, keyless entry, and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.